I bought this Victrola turntable about 2 years ago. I really like it primarily because it fits nicely into my whole house audio solution, which is based heavily on Sonos. This model is officially certified as Works with Sonos, which means I can stream audio from the turntable directly to my Sonos speakers throughout the house. Then, a few weeks ago, I came across turntables online made with hardwoods, unlike the MDF in my Victrola. I got Plinth envy. Plinth, I've learned, is the official name of the base that houses the tone arm, platter, and everything else. A hardwood plinth would really give this turntable a nice high-end look. So I took the Victrola apart, voiding my warranty, I am sure, and I spent several hours with my calipers and a notebook taking careful measurements and pictures of all the components. I then began modeling in Audodesk Fusion. After a few prototypes in MDF on my OneFinity CNC router, I picked out my best walnut planks and I got to work. I'll end the voiceover here. Please enjoy the build.
Broke and the clock was ticking. Another day ensued. I've got to pay my dues, but you know it's the rest of the day that my mind craves. So it's easy escape. Won't take issue with you when you pass me on the fast track. But when you peer in the rear view, you'll see us smiling, laid back. It's a worthwhile endeavor to discover pleasure wherever you go. It's an easy escape. Oh, yeah. Another morning comes, grab a bite and run. It's a daily ritual. Got a job to fulfill. Gotta pay those bills. But you know it's the rest of the day that my mind craves. It's that easy escape.